Morning guys, welcome for another hike. Today we're up in Boulder, Colorado, and we just parked at the Gregory Canyon Trailhead. We're planning on hiking up to Green Mountain today. It's about a 4.5 mile loop with I think about 2,400 feet of vert, and the route we're going on is a loop trail that you can take either clockwise or counterclockwise. We're planning on going counterclockwise because that way you can kind of get up to the peak faster and then enjoy a little bit more gradual downhill since it's a little icier out today. So we'd rather kind of get up quickly and enjoy a little bit of a gradual downhill since there's a lot of ice today since last week we had a big old snowstorm, but the snow's mostly gone. And yeah, just excited to go for another hike. Let's go. All right, so we actually just got done doing the top of Green Mountain, and the views up there were awesome. You can definitely see a lot of good views of like Rocky Mountain National Park and the Continental Divide, and Long's Peak and like the Indian Peaks Wilderness, which is really cool and have a lot of really good hikes in it if you ever want to go out there. We kind of decided not to stay too long at the peak just because there's so many people, and even though it says there's no dogs allowed on this trail, which is why we didn't bring our dog today for the last like quarter mile, they're not allowed. There was like probably 8 to 10 dogs up there, which was awesome. Dogs are really cute to see out here, but we didn't bring ours just because I know on this trail you're not supposed to bring them up to the peak. So now we're just going back down and trying to take our time because it's super icy coming down here right now. But we plan on just going the 3 extra miles around this loop to make about 5 miles, and then we're gonna end back at the Gregory Canyon Trailhead. Let's keep going.